At the school tuck shop, which snack sells fastest? Puff Puff, meat pie, or biscuits? Today we learn how to turn survey answers into clear pictures. Data means information we collect, like students' favorite snacks. Representing data means showing that information clearly so our eyes can compare it quickly. A pictogram uses pictures or symbols to stand for numbers. The key tells us what one picture means. Here, one snack icon means 2 students. A bar chart uses rectangles called bars to show data. The height of each bar shows the number, and the gaps show the groups are separate categories. Worked example 1. A class votes for favorite fruits. Since one icon means 2 pupils, divide each number by 2 to find the number of icons. Mango gets 3 icons because 6 divided by 2 is 3. Orange gets 2 icons and banana gets 4 icons. Worked example 2. We now draw a bar chart for lunch choices. Frequency means how many times something happens, so the frequency for jollof is 12. Draw each bar up to its frequency on the vertical axis. Jollof is tallest, so it is the most popular lunch choice. Many students get this wrong. They forget the pictogram key. Students also confuse bar charts with histograms. In a bar chart, separate categories need gaps. Remember, KSLG means key, scale, labels, gaps. Check the key in pictograms and check the scale, labels, and gaps in bar charts. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.